Hello, my name is Wellington. I am a Sommelier AI. I use a neural network that contains information from 209,895 wine reviews and 25 different reviewers. I can predict a wine's country of origin, type, and the reviewer that best matches the sample given. I also will give you a review of a wine, if you give me the reviewer, country, and type. I do this by running my custom neural network in reverse and returning a PCA word cloud. Isn't that just smashing? See for yourself. Try my web app. Download my Jupyter notebook. Or view a PDF of my source code. Cheers. Welcome to my web app. As an example review, I will be giving you a word cloud for a Spanish wine as the voice of Alexander Petri. Fascinating, yes? Now, like a true sommelier, with a little bit of information I am able to guess the country, type, and taster with greater than 80% accuracy for each attribute. And now I will let one of my makers speak about how I came to be in this world. Cheers.
I hope Wellington wasn't too full of himself.
I heard that.
Anyways, Wellington's database was built from a scraper that gathered and cleaned the information contained in WineMag's 236,834 reviews. Although, due to incomplete data, only approximately 209,000 reviews were actually used. Our final dataset contained 26 variables associated with the review. And after cleaning the data, we implemented various methods of data visualization to better understand the correlations within the data. We were able to create word clouds from the PCAs using natural language processing on the text contained in the reviews. After running a various amount of different regression methods and creating a custom neural network, we found SVM to be the best. Using an interactive graph, we can easily identify the methods that are superior and how they react depending on the amount of data used to train the set. After exploring the methods, we went with the neural network for the web app, because the SVM was too slow to fit on that size of data. Also, the size of the model matters. The neural network only takes approximately 5 kilobytes of disk space, while the SVM would be too many megabytes to upload to get. And thus, Wellington was born.